Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We've also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLRI and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concepts. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later for my college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they not only focusing on study, they are also conducting different exam to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped, so I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned lot of from this. I gained the more knowledge from here, and thank you for XLR for teaching us.
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing good. So, Roshan, you can start the session.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Good evening, guys. I hope my voice is loud and clear to all of you. Good evening. Good evening. Thank you so much, Mahesh, for the confirmation, and Prashant. Good evening to everyone. So let's just start. We have seen just the basic of Google Ad. So today, what we will be learning search ad, guys. How we can make the search ad. Very good evening to all of you who have just joined now and who have joined from YouTube, like live YouTube and all that. Very welcome, guys. And let's start now straight away. So first of all, just a quick introduction, like what is, like we can say search ad. Let me give you a quick introduction so that you guys know what is a search ad. So whenever we search, let me go ahead to my if I go ahead here. So if I talked about, and if I search something, like suppose if I'm searching for digital marketing course Bangalore. So if I go and if I search there, so again, you can see I can find here the ads. Now the ads that is with only text are called as search ad. Now what is this that? This is called as performance max ad and all that. It just image is added on that. Now these all ads like which are having the text only is called as search ad. Now these all the three ads are called as search ad. So we will be learning today how to make the search ads and how you can make sure your best search ads are ready and all that. So in the last class, we talked about the keyword research, like how we can make sure to do the keyword research for a Google Ads campaign and all that. So that will be very vital here to know like, okay, which all keywords we can do. And also we talked about keyword match type, if you guys remember, broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Broad match, like similar meaning words, our ads can come. Phrase match, only prefix and suffix are allowed. And then the exact match where exact keywords are allowed and all that. Now again, let's go here and let's go here with Google Ads platform. So let me go and let me do here. So again, if I go ahead in the Google Ads platform, so I will just sign in using this. So I will just go here. Now again, I can go ahead here. And once I go ahead here, I can go and I can just logged in into the account that is running. So this is like the dashboard of Google Ads and all that. You can see in this, I have already run some of the ad, like we were testing for a company, and you can see all those detail. So we will be talking about this detail in the our after tomorrow class, maybe on Wednesday. But straight away, we will go and we will learn how we can do the search ad. So search ads are the text ad that you see on the Google when somebody is searching and all that. Now, again, you have to understand a few things whenever you are running the ads. So in ads, there are three levels that you guys need to understand. One is a campaign. So what is a campaign? Whenever we needs to require to run any ads, we go to the create option and we click on the campaign. So what is campaign? Where we decide our campaign based upon our objective. Now, what is objective? Objective could be, guys, sales. It could be leads. It could be website traffic. It could be app promotion. It could be awareness and consideration. It could be local store visit and promotion. It could be create a campaign without a goal guidance. It could be anything generally. So it could be as per what I want. For example, if I want sales to happen, I can choose sales campaign. If I want leads, like interested customer leave their information on the website or through lead forms, I can select the lead option. If I want people to go and to check on the website, so we can go ahead and we can do that with website traffic. And then afterwards, we can see app promotion. So if I want people to go and download my app, I can go ahead with the app promotion option. Then we have the awareness and consideration. So suppose if I want more and more people to aware about my product and services, so I can go ahead with the awareness option. Then local store visit. So suppose if I have a store nearby and I want people to know about my store and all, so I can go and I can go ahead with the local store visit and promotion. And then afterwards, we have create a campaign without a goal guidance. So again, what would be this? So this would be like we can go and we can create a campaign and we can avoid the like you can say particularly goal means we just want to see our own, we are not interested in any of this. So what is highly advisable, we have to make sure we choose the objective. If I want sales, I will go with the sales. If I want leads, I will go with that. And if I want website traffic, I can go ahead with that. So majorly, if you ask me now, what is the purpose of search ad? Like whenever we go and we search and we see a lot of ads is coming like this. So what is the purpose of this ad? To make sure people click and they go ahead with the, like you can say, basically on our website. So most time, what is the purpose? To do the website visit so that again we can remarket people and we can have website pop-up, website fill-up form, a free demo class, like that we can get the leads and all that. So that is again our main motto. So we can click on website traffic. After that, if I scroll down here, so again you can find here conversion goal. So what is conversion goal? Like what I am looking in website traffic. Now again I can go and I can add the goal like contacts and all, and here automatically is there like submit lead forms or phone call leads and all. So suppose I don't need phone call leads, so I can remove those. So what will happen? I want people to go to the my website traffic and I want them to submit the lead form and all that. Then afterwards, I can continue. So again here, we select the campaign type. So what we have done, by creating new campaign, we have choose website traffic. Why? Because the main motive of a search ad to drive traffic to the website. And then afterwards, we have choose here, like you can say conversion goal. And then after that, campaign type. So we will choose search. Search campaign we will choose. And then afterwards, I will scroll down and here you will find the website like address. Now suppose let's do for XLR, for example. So I will go here and I will go with XLR. And suppose we are doing for their digital marketing course. So let's search for XLR digital marketing course. So if I go ahead with here, XLR digital marketing course, so I can go ahead here. Once I go ahead with this particularly. So again, once I go with this digital marketing course, so I will just let the like website open this page. So we will just copy this page ID. And again, I'm saying this part is very important. Why? Because if you give the website landing page here, no, it gives Google a much more ideas like generally what are the things that particularly is important they will grab and they will help you in the ad copy part also. But if you ignore here, like suppose you are not giving any detail here, you are not giving the like a website URL or the landing page URL, so it will be like not having much data on what to suggest. So if you want Google suggestions and all, even in ad copy, so this is must have to give the landing page URL here. Then afterwards, we will click on continue. Then again, campaign name. So what campaign name you want? And I'm telling you very easy idea of how to write the campaign name. So first of all, now, always write what you want. So suppose I want traffic to my website. So I will go here, traffic campaign. And then what kind of campaign? This is search ads. Search ads. Now again, for which company we are doing? We are doing for XLR. And then after that, in XLR, what like particularly we are promoting? We are promoting digital marketing. Digital marketing. And what is the date that we are doing this? So we are doing this on 7, like you can say 1st of July. So I can go here and I can have here 1st July 2024. And once I go ahead here, after that, I can go next. Now, what will happen? See, if anyone will come and anyone will see our ad, they know this is a traffic and search ad. It is created for XLR and again for digital marketing. And again, it was created on 1st July 2024. So this is like a way of giving the name so that after 1 year, after 2 year, after 5 year, or even after 10 years, or any of your, like you can say colleagues or junior or senior is seeing, they understand what you are trying to say and all that. So we can get here, we can get the idea. And then afterwards, we go here and we click on continue. Once we click on continue, we will click on start new here. Once we click on start new, so what I want to focus on means what is my purpose of running the ad? Is it conversion? It is clicks. Now let's understand one by one all these terms. So what is conversion? Conversion is more number of leads or sales. So if I am looking for leads, so more number of leads I want. If I am looking for sales, so I want more sales from my website. If it is a e-commerce website, if it is a service-based website, so I want more leads and all. Now, second is conversion value. So what is conversion value? I want more return on ad. So what I want the higher value product or higher value service to be promoted more and give me more return from the ad. So this is just to get the required, whatever is required, I want more. And conversion value is generally when I want more return on ad spend. Means I want particularly more and more return from my ad. And then clicks means if I want more and more people click on my ads and they go to my website. And impressions here is the position of my ad. If I want my ad in the top 4 or I want my ad on the top 1 and all that, or how much time I want my ad. So according to the budget we can set. So suppose my client is having a very good budget. He or she is able to give 20-30,000 per day. So again, 20-30,000 per day, they are ready to spend. So I can go in the impressions here and I can set like at least 80% time I want my ad to come. So again, one by one, if I show you, if you select conversion, so see again, by default, what will happen? Google will try to give you as much as conversion. So what is conversion? A desired action, guys. So desired action means two kind of business exist. One is service-based business where you need leads, and one is product-based business where you sell the product. So for product-based business, conversion will be sales, and for like service business, lead will be the conversion. And if you want, you can set the target cost per action. Means I am telling it in 100 rupees, I want one conversion. Means I want one lead or one sales. But we can't put here randomly. We have to check our reports. And once we know, like, okay, last time I run the ad, my CPA, that is cost per action or cost per lead, was coming like 500 rupees. So this time I can try with 450 or 490 rupees to see if Google can still achieve that or not. Then, and this is the optional option. So suppose I don't have data. A lot of you will say, sir, we don't have data. Then how I will know what CPA to put? Then in case of that, just let Google decide that. Then afterwards, suppose if you want more profit, you are almost running ad from a larger period of time. Like suppose from last 6 months, you are running the ad. Now, again, client is telling you, like, we want to be profitable as soon as possible. So for that, we can go ahead with the conversion value and we can set the target return on ad spend. Means suppose if I am spending 1,000 rupees, so at least minimum 100% back. Means I want my 1,000 rupees back. Or like suppose I want in 1,000 rupees, I want 2,000 rupees. So I will go with 200%. But always remember, this will only be successful if you have already run the ad at least for 30 days and you have received 15 conversion. So it's always start with conversion, then conversion value, and clicks is if you want more traffic. So if I want, and here you can put whatever percentage you want. But again, we do not put any like frictional value. We have to be practical. Like we start with 100%, 150, 200 like that. We do not go 2,000% or 2 lakh percentage and all that, because that will not work again. And at least the condition is we are running ads from last 30 days and we are like getting 14 conversions and all that. So that again will help us out and all that. Then again, here one option is there, bid for new customer only. So what is new customer? Like suppose when I will tell this, for example, XLR has tout like more than suppose 50,000 student till now in digital marketing. So again, if XLR will have data like, okay, 15,000 people, email ID, phone number, their name and all that. So what I can do, I can go and I can upload that in the Google, and then I can tell to XLR, I don't want this 50,000 people to show ads. I only want you to show ads for the new customer. So again, this new customer only works if you have one-time service and people cannot opt for your service again and again. So if I am selling one-time services to the people, and people cannot buy my like product next time and all, so for that we can use, that will be great generally. But again, I will not advise unless and until you have the requirement. But do remember, you do need to upload here existing customer list. Means I need to go to XLR and I need to ask them, give me the list of 50,000 people whom we don't want to show ads because they have already enrolled for our program and all. So this will work like that. So again, like if we don't have the data, then again, don't take that. Then we will go to the next part, guys. And here we have two network. Now in this, what is search network? Search network is when you search on the Google, like here, whatever ads that you are getting, these all are the parts of search network. But when you go to the third party, like suppose if I go to Times of India, TOI, if I go ahead here, now with Times of India, what I can do here is I can go, and if I go and if I show you some ads, like just I go ahead, like suppose if I go to the city, Bangalore, Then I just go ahead here. Now again, you can see this ad, like here, property to buy in India and all that. And then again, you can see this advertisement, policy bazaar and all that. So ads like that, if I want in particularly here in the other third party website, those are called as display ad. So here we are doing search ads. So we will untick this Google display network. Means we only want our ads to come on the search results. Now there are search engine partners. Now what is search engine partner? There's a website called, you might have known, ask.com. What is this ask.com does? This is very small search engine, and what they does, they have collaborated with Google to showcase the results. Like here also, if I search now, full stack developer, and then enter. Now again, when I search, see, again sponsored is coming. So they go and they take out from the search engine itself. And here you will see like a lot of this extension, if you remember ad extension we talked about. So a lot of ad extensions are coming and all that are normally. So again, this is like third party website that have done partnership with Google to showcase the ad. For that, we will, if we want, we are okay, like, okay, in the search partner also, if our ads come, we can go ahead and we can choose that. But suppose we are not okay, we are saying, no, no, we don't want our ad to come on the search partners. So we can untick. So what does that mean? Our ad will be only coming in Google. So if you only want your ad to come on the Google, like untick this display network and untick the search partner as well. Then afterwards, you will come to the location. That is very easy. Whatever location we want our ads to display. So for example, I want my ad to display on the Delhi and Bangalore region, suppose. So I can go here, enter another location. So I can go ahead with Delhi here, and I can put Delhi and I can click on target. And then I can go ahead with Bangalore. When I go to Bangalore here, I can target. And then afterwards, if I want anything, even they have advanced search. So what is there in the advanced search? In the advanced search, if you go now, like you can see here, either I can go with the radius wise. So suppose I have an offline store, and suppose I have a saloon and I am advertising in that area. So I can go to the radius and I can type the a pin code. So for example, I live in 560076. I can do and I can target. So once I target here, what I can do, like just a second, let me delete all those. Now again, if I want 560076, and then here you can see 20 mile or 20 kilometer, whatever time I want and all that. So suppose I want 30 kilometers. So I can go and I can go ahead 30 kilometers and save. So what will happen? My ad will be only shown in that location, that is 30 kilometer from there. Then afterwards, you have language option. So what is language option? What language people speaks. So unless and until my product is in any like you can say regional language. Suppose I have a product that is in regional language. Like suppose I am advertising for a Marathi like matrimonial magazine and all that, where people can find like their brides and grooms and all that. Then if I am doing for Marathi one, then I will go and I will select here Marathi. Or suppose like I am doing that for Hindi magazines and all that. Then I will go, because again, people speaking Hindi and they understand Hindi only will be going for this language options and all that. So I can go and I can select here. So that can again be helpful for us. Then afterwards, if I go ahead here, so we have the audience segment. So what is the audience segment here? Just here when we go to the audience segment, so after language, so language is what people speaks, like language your customer speaks and all. And when we will select, if we are promoting any regional product which is only will be available for that particular audience, then only we will go and we will go ahead with that a particular language option. Otherwise, what you will do, you will just cut this and you will make sure of all language options. Then I want to sign in on keyword planner. Website name I can't be able. Okay. ROS is return on ad spend. Like how it goes, like suppose if I go ahead, if I spend 1,000 rupees, guys, and suppose in 1,000 rupees, I got leads worth 5,000 rupees. So what will happen? My ROS will be 5. My return on ad spend will be 5. So ROAS will be 5. Why? Because 5 times whatever money I have spent, I am getting that. So that is ROAS and all that. So keyword planner, I will see, I will tell you what you guys can do. Let me first go through this, then I will come to that a keyword planner option. What I will advise to try with the new email ID, then you will be able to do that. So wait, please don't try now. Now again, if I go ahead in the language, so again, after this language, we have the audience segment. So what I love about this audience segment, guys, is one trick that I always use. The one is you can go browse and you can select one by one, like as per demographics, what you think can be your potential customer, like parental status, marital status, education, home ownership status, and all that, employment and all that. You can be able to find that all of it and all that. But suppose if I only want to know particularly, so I can go here in the search. What I will do, I will just copy the URL. That is my favorite thing that I do. I just copy that and I go here in the search ad and I just paste it here. Once I paste it here, normally, so we will be able to see what all things they are recommending. So based upon that, like suppose I need to target people who can be interested in digital marketing. So again, what I can do, I can go here and I can see. So test preparation, study abroad, web design development, bachelor degree. So suppose people who have done bachelor degree again will be looking for a job. Then after that, we want a current college going students can be one. And then afterwards, it can be, if I scroll down, it could be social media enthusiast, business professional. Obviously, these kind of people will be interested in that. Apart from that, again, we can check if we have not, not missed any important thing. Sale and marketing job. So again, sales people are also interested in the marketing part. So what I did, I just copied the landing page URL. Please remember, you have to copy and paste the landing page URL. Then afterwards, you can select and you can go ahead with that. So this is like again a trick that I use where you can select audience that are relevant with your business, whatever product that you are advertising or whatever service that you are advertising. And in this, you can keep with the observation. So again, like it does not narrow down your reach, because again, like certainly, like we will be using keyword type to make sure people don't get the ads when they are not typing the non-relevant keywords. So here I will advise to go with the observation, generally what is recommended. And broad match keywords. So again, if you want only broad match, then I will suggest you to keep on. Otherwise, just keep it off generally. So what is this? If I want to target only in the broad match, means I am okay for all the similar meaning words. My ad is coming and I am perfectly okay with this. So I can go with the broad match keyword. But suppose I am not okay. I want to decide like a match type. I want other also like a phrase match and exact match. Then after that, automatically created asset. Yes, means I wanted like I want Google to help me in creating the asset. Now, what is the asset? Asset is this headline, the descriptions and all by seeing our URL and all. So I'm perfectly fine with Google to show me the assets and all that. So what I can do here is I can go and then afterwards more setting. So in the more setting, what we have guys is add rotation. Now, what is ad rotation? First, you have to understand if you will have multiple ads. Like suppose I have made more than 3 to 4 ads. So if I have made more than 3 to 4 ads, so now what I can do here is like I can set this option in Google, like optimize prefer best performing ads. So suppose I have 4 ads. One ad is just getting impression, means people are it is presented to people, but people are not clicking. Second ad, suppose getting some of the like you can say clicks. Third ad is getting clicks, and suppose fourth ad is getting click, and people are going to the website also, and also they are filling the form. So if they are filling the form, what does that mean? That does mean like certainly we have a lot of people which are generally interested in that ad, and that ad is working. So that's where we will go and we will keep this optimize prefer best performing ads. So this is the option that I will recommend. And if you have multiple ads, this does work well. So that this does make sure in the minimum money spent, they will make sure to give you like you can say maximum profit. Then again, if I scroll down here and if I go to more setting, so you have the start and end date. Now, what is start and end date? When you guys want to start the ad and when you guys want to end the ad. So suppose I want to start on like you can say July 10th and I want to end, or if I don't know when to end, I want to see how this ads goes for a 3 day or 4 day, and then I will decide like which day I want. So again, if I go ahead here and if I go to the end date, so suppose I don't know end date, I will decide after seeing the ad for 3 4 days. Then we have the more settings, ad schedule, which time you want your ad. So suppose I want my ad Monday to Friday to show, or suppose on all days. So which time you want? Like suppose if I want my ad to be shown on, like suppose 8 a.m. For example, I want it. So I can go and I can go ahead with 8. If I go here, I can, you have to select here. So I can select 8. So this is AM. And then suppose 8 p.m. I have to select. Then I will be going here 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is the 8 p.m. Like it is a 24-hour clock. So what will happen? My ad will only run on from morning 8 to evening 8. If you want, you can make the changes, but this is how it goes. Then afterwards, if you go, you can even go with the 1 by 1 day also, like Monday different time, Tuesday different time, Wednesday different time, so as Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But again, it depends. Never give multiple days. Like in multiple days, I am showing morning 6 to 1, and then again I am giving 10 to 1. So that will confuse Google. So make sure you choose one time, whatever time you think will be okay for your like product and services to sell. Then afterwards, if I go here, more setting, so again, campaign URL option. Now, what is this campaign URL option? Campaign URL option generally is used by the people who use third-party analytics app. Like you can say Salesforce and all, CRM we call that, or SAP and all. So what exactly happens if you see some of the company, if I show you, like suppose this upgrade, if I go ahead with. So if I just go and click, now again you will see here, this after this upgrade.com AI full stack development program, they have this UTM parameter and all. So this is like filled manually so that like if they are using third party CRM. So if we are using any third party CRM, now what is CRM? CRM is a software where you collect all the data from all the medium like Google ad, Facebook ad, organic lead, website fill form and all. And there you get stored the data. So in case if you are using and you want the data to be uploaded, then you use this campaign URL. So what is the work of this? If third party CRM software or analytics software you are using and you want this Google ad data to go there, then you will use. If your company is not saying anything, you don't fill. So usually like there are in company cloud developer are there that they will tell you what exactly to put. So if nobody is there in company, they are not talking about this. So again, we will leave this blank. So we will get all the reports under Google Ads that I will be showing you as well. Then comes the brand. So again, if you go with this one, like if you want your ad to only show for broad match, you don't want for phrase match and all, then you can restrict the brand. Means like suppose if I have multiple companies, that all comes under my banner only. For example, Cadbury, Dairy Milk, Cadbury 5 star and all that. And there are tons of Cadbury James chocolates are there and all. So that also are the part of Cadbury. So if I have any sister company and all that, and that I don't want to like compete with those brand, then I will just go and I will give. But this will only come if you will select here, like you can say, the option of like broad match only. So if you go and if you select now only broad match option, then only. If you go with all the match, then you don't need to do anything. Then we will go to the next option. Now, when I go to the next option, see, I will give the URL and see what makes your product and service unique. So again, what I can do here is I can give this. Now, how we can give? So you guys, if you guys remember, like what you guys remember, like suppose if you remember Perplexity AI. So I can go to that AI and that is free only, like free version only we will be using. And I will be going there and I will be copying this link. What is my landing page? Once I go ahead, I will paste here. And then afterwards, I will say, I want you to create the USP of the product and give me in bullet points. I will go and I will enter here. Once I enter here, again, you can see here, here are the key USP unique selling point of the digital marketing course offered by XLR. So again, you can see here hands-on project, international certification, a guaranteed job interview calls and all. So again, I can go and I can copy this and I can just give it to Google. Why this option Google is given? Because we have made sure when we go here, we have made sure to click on this. Like we want automatically to create asset. What is asset? Headline, descriptions and all. And then afterwards, we just, if I go to the next here, guys, I will give you the option. So I will just paste it here. Once I paste it, now again, if you see here, no, like this a double star mark and all that are there. So I will suggest you to remove that. Or else there is a one website called Chat GPT Text Converter. Chat GPT text converter. Now, when we go ahead with that Chat GPT text converter, so again, I can go ahead here, Chat GPT text converter. And then if I go ahead here, now I can just paste that and then I will click on convert text. So see, automatically all the star marks is gone. Now what I can do, I can just copy here. If you want, you can make a note of that. Chat GPT text converter. Why we use? To make sure like the lines and all that are not there, the star mark and all that. Then I can go here and then I can give it here. And now I will just remove this citation. What is citation? Citation is generally from where they have taken the all information. Then again up to 3000 like character you can do, but it's fine. We have done in 1000. Then I will click on generate. So once I click on generate, see what it has done. It has automatically taken the keywords and just wait here. And we can add or subtract also keyword, or we can convert them to the broad match, phrase match and all. How we do that to the phrase match, guys? We go here and we go here and double inverted comma. And then suppose exact match if I want, I can go and I can go ahead with the bigger bracket. So again, if I convert that to bigger bracket, so that will be the exact match. So this is how we go to this, like you can say the phrase match and exact match and all. And then afterwards, I can go and I can increase the number of keywords also, like 10 to 15 you can start up with. So whatever keyword research that you have done, you can go and you can use that. So this is how we go and we do that. Let me see some of the questions I can see. Sir, can I merge mix 2, 3 description? Yes, you can do that, but we are talking about here Google Ads. So obviously, we will give 2, 3 description, and sometime they do show that basically. So it depends upon Google. So Google can show your 1 description also, 2 description also, 3 description. Printing business, you have to create the business, like you have to target related to locations. Like suppose if you are in Delhi, and suppose 110092. So 110092, if it is, so again nearby 30 kilometers, 15, 20 kilometer, you can advertise because those will be your customer, because people from far will not come. So again, you can use, I will suggest meta ads more, like you can say Facebook, Instagram ad that we will be talking. You can use that. But again, those who have global business, I will suggest them to use this Google Ads. Then can I merge? Yes, you can. It's paid. Yes, it is paid. Everything in advertisement is paid and all that. It's like learn by doing, Neha. So I will highly appreciate if you watch the recording and all. These all are the learn by doing. So it's like if you see, that's why I'm not running any PPT for before you. I'm just showing how I do for my clients and how I do when I run the ad, so that you guys get the exact idea. And after this class, you are ready to run the ads and all that. Now, again, if I go ahead here, I will scroll down. Then if you see here, the magic, what will happen? It's like, it will recommend me. Like just after that, after deciding what all keywords, what all keyword type, you will just scroll down here and just scroll down. And here is the final URL. So what is final URL? Final URL is the URL that takes to the user. Like for example, when I search here, so once I click on this, so this URL like will be called as final URL, where I'm going to the users and all that, where you can go and you can see here peoples are talking about what it is, what they do and all that. So again, it just give a very good idea to the people how it goes, what all it's about and all that. Now again, if I go ahead here back, and then after that display path. Now what is display path? Now after this XLR.com here, I can showcase whatever I want. So suppose I want to showcase free demo. So I can go here and I can type free and I can go ahead demo. So again, when I go ahead here, free demo, and then afterwards a lead form. So once I go ahead with the lead forms here, so lead form is again all the extension that we discussed. So you can go to lead form and you can select new lead form. You can give the headline. So headline means like suppose best digital marketing institute in Bangalore. Best digital marketing course in Bangalore. Now again here, now again you have to make sure you do not exceed the limit. Now again, if I go ahead, I will just delete this digital marketing course in Bangalore. Now again, this is also exceeding the limit. So we have to make sure it is under the character limit. And then suppose your business name. So suppose it is XLR and then description. So I can go and I can take some of the description here. XLR, just a second. Let me go here to YXLR. So again, we will write here description. So again, I can't copy, I think. Yeah, here I can copy. So just a second. Who can learn why? Who are the what certification? So again, if I go ahead, global presence and all that, I can copy. Once I copy, I can go and I can have here the description. Now descriptions again 200 characters only. So you have to make sure you follow that character limit. You do not exceed your character. And then questions what you want. So suppose I want the question name and I want here a phone number and email ID. So do ask only those questions, whichever you think is enough for your business. Then again, if I want anything else, I can go ahead. I can ask for a like questions, anything, are you graduate or not? So suppose I want to ask for the people, are you graduated or not? So again, new questions if I go. So again, you can see they have the list of questions automatically. Job, retail, technology. So suppose education, which program you are interested, which educational degree, which course, when do you want to enroll, when you want to class your begin. So again, you can go and you can choose your multiple choice. So like suppose short answer I want. So again, people can just go and they can build like tomorrow or within a week or within one month and all that. Then privacy policy you are, so I can go to like you can say XLR website, and here I can find this privacy policy. So what I can do, I can go ahead copy, and once I copy here, I can go and I can go ahead here and I can give it. And once I go ahead, now again background image. So I can go and I can give here the images, whatever images that I want. So either I can go asset library or I can upload. So I can upload from the computer, whatever I want and all that. So for example, if I go, like suppose, just a second. Like for example, suppose this. Just to showcase you, I'm showing you. If I go and it goes well, again, I can select and here select option. So make sure you upload in the right like criteria and all that. Once you do that, click on save. So once you save that, now again, what will happen here? You can see the ad, whatever people will see. And when they click on this learn more, that hour, like you can say, this lead form will open. So here the lead form will open when they will click on that. And once they submit, so here is the submitted message that you want. So again, you can go and you can write that what submission message you want. Like suppose I want thank you. We will contact you within 24 hours. We will contact you within 24 hours. So I can go ahead with that and then call to action. So I can just go here and I can do this call to action, none, visit, download and all, whatever call to action I want. So I want, suppose learn more and call to action URL. So suppose I want people to visit uh, to the XLR website. So I can go here and I can just copy and I can go to the digital marketing program. So here it is the digital marketing training program. I will copy it, guys. And once I copy it, I can go ahead and I can give it. And then afterwards, learn more. Sorry, call to action we have given. Then afterward, description. So again, I can say book your demo class today and learn book your demo class today. I think this will go well. And then again, I can go and I can save that. So this is how what will happen. Like you can say, once my ad will be visible, whatever headline and description I will give, then people will give. So you can say book your demo class today. Then the message, like lead form. So this is the lead form, then they will submit. And once they submit, they will give you. We will contact you soon and all that. So this is how we go and this is how we do this like you can say lead generation form. So just like that, like again, headline also we can fill. And if you see, they are giving the ideas because at the starting we have already given the URL. So again, they are giving the ideas. And if you go ahead now, so you can see the number of searches that people are going and searching. So learn digital marketing program, online marketing course, and all that, digital marketing training, digital marketing tours, marketing certifications, and all. So again, you can go and you can see on that part. So once I go ahead in that part here, what I can do is I can take, if I want, I can take that. Now again, what I can do here is I can have my own headline. So I can have up to 5 headline is recommended, though I can have many headline. I can have as many as like 8 to 10 headline I can have. But suppose I am not getting an idea, I want some headline. So what I can do here is, based upon this data, now I can copy here. And once I go, I can go to Chat GPT here. Chat GPT. Once we go to this Chat GPT, we can go and we can say try Chat GPT. Once we try this Chat GPT and all, so again, what I can do here is we can go and just a second, we can give the detail, and then I will just remove here just like you can say citation part, and then I can say give me 5 headline by checking the above information. Above information. And use of AI is okay in ads or in social media and all. Again, you can see here. Now it is giving me the headline. So I can go and I can use it. Now suppose the headline length is also mentioned. So headline length is 30 characters. So I can tell it, I want it into the 30 characters. So I will go to the AI and I will say, I want it to be less than 35 characters, suppose, or 30 characters. 30 characters. So once I do that, I will be able to generate. So master, get certified, get hired, expert level, and all that generally. So I can go and I can go ahead. So suppose I like this one. I can copy this and I can go to the ads and I can use that one. Now again, potential, unlock your marketing. Unlock marketing potential. Then again, headline 2. So I can go ahead here, get certified, get hired. Copy. I can go ahead with that. And then again, third. So I can go to ChatGPT and I can have here expert-led digital marketing course. And then afterwards, if I go ahead here, I can paste. And then afterwards, I have here more option. So if I go XLR hands-on learning, so I can copy here. And then I can just come here. Then afterwards, one more I can give. So again, unlock your marketing. I can copy this and I can paste. So at least 5 I have given now. Now again, you will see if I will go ahead, if now description. So up to 4 descriptions, I can give 15 headline is there. So up to 15 headline you can give. So what I will do, I will just give the description. Same Chat GPT, I can go, or before Chat GPT, na, you can see here the ideas. So they will give you the ideas of on your based upon URL. So if you like the ideas, you can take that or just go to Chat GPT and here you can say, give me for description and I want it to be less than 90 characters. And we can enter. So again, we can have here within 90 characters and all that. So I can copy this. And once I go ahead here, I will just give the description, guys. We will go here with the description. Now make sure it is under 90 character. So again, we will give one like if I go ahead here, business and logo. So again, this like if you verify your account, if you click on that, you need to verify the account, you need to submit the GST details and all, you will be able to get. Then again, similarly, the extension that we have talked yesterday, like a site link extensions and all that. Now, before that, let me see lot of questions I can see. Try merge mix 2 to 3 description. Undescription. Yeah, it is not for ranking. It is Google Ads, okay? So you can do that. You will get attendance. Come on, guys. 1 hour is left. Don't worry. I will make sure you will get that. But here, I hope till now we understood, guys. And we can see also here how our ad will look like. So till now we understood. I hope I just showed you practically. No PPT today. Just I showed you like, okay, how the things can be done. So it all start with choosing the campaign, then again putting the settings like locations and all that, generally giving the campaign name, giving the URL and all that. And then afterwards, again, trying to get all the, like you can say, particularly all the options all together, means whatever is required. And then afterwards, we get the final here, options and all. This is how our ad will look like. So I can see here, see, our ad will be looking like this. So again, sometime based upon number of headline and number of description, you will be seeing that. So I hope everyone got this idea, will be able to make the ad. Still, I will just show you extension part where I will explain you how you can do that. What about other? Ekta can do that. That is excellent. What about other people? Are we able to do it, guys? Okay, perfect. So happy to see lots of that. Yes, you can definitely, because again on the YouTube you have on your LMS, you will be getting the recording. So you can see the step by step and you can try that. Now let's go and let's see the extension. Only one, like we have covered till now. I will summarize that, don't worry. Let me first complete, then I will summarize. Now after lead forms, no, if I go ahead, we have much more things like site link, call out and other. So let's see one by one each extension so that we will be able to understand. Now site link if I go. Now again if I go ahead with a site link extension, see they are automatically suggesting. Now why they are suggesting me? Because at the starting I have given them the URL. But suppose no, I want my own particularly site link and all that. So what I will do, I will click on create and then here up to 4 site link or more site link also I can give. And you can see how it will look like. So again, let's go to their website and see what site link we can have. What is site link? Other pages link. So suppose I want to give the link of, if I go ahead here, suppose if I click on quick inquiry. Okay, so this will open. This is the same. Let me see if they have any form. So all the batches, okay, this is also on the same page. Enroll now. If I just scroll down here, I can go and let me check. Get in touch. So again, it is on the same page. But suppose I want other courses also. Like for example, I want to describe because they have one only courses and that is like you can say online and offline both. So again, here I cannot give any digital marketing things because they have the one type of courses that they exist and all. So what I can do, I can showcase other courses also. Like suppose data science program. So for example, if I go here, again PG program, data science course and all. So I can click on that. Once I click on that, I can copy. Once I copy here, I can go ahead and here I can write the text. So text will be coming here. Like suppose I want data science. So please see it very carefully, guys. Data science. And then see here again, data science will come. Then the description one. So whatever descriptions that I want, I can go and I can have. And the final URL where I want users to go to and all that. So suppose I want users to go to this page, I can have now description one and description two. So again, I can have like best data science course in India. So again, I can have that. Then again, description two, learn Python and many more. Practically, suppose. Practically. Now again, if I want, I can go ahead. So again, it is more practical Python and more. Many more, many just I will remove practical. Now again, if I want, I can keep this like other site link 2, 3 and all that. So again, at least 2 is required. So suppose next I want is of like you can say is suppose their AI courses, for example, generative AI and all that. Suppose this chat GPT prompt engineering. So again, I will go here and I will write chat GPT course. And then here description, prompt engineering course with management. Like you can say a course with like practical we can have practical. So again here prompt engineering course with practical. So prompt engineering with practical I can go ahead because again if I go with course again it won't fulfill. Then again I can say learn the art of prompt engineering. So you can try this all with the AI. You can go ahead. I'm going by myself, but if you want, you can go ahead with the AI. Learn the art of prompt engineering. And then after that, your final URL. So suppose final URL is this. Now again, what I can do, just like this, if I go, I paste it here. And then once I paste it here, I can see how it will be coming. Now again, this 3 and all, I don't need. So I can just go and I can click on create. So once I click on create, again, second is created, then paste. So once I created that and all, see. Again, how my ad will be coming like this. So people will click on data science and they will be going to data science page. People who will click on chat GPT course, they will be going to that. So if I click on mobile again here, now again, just a second, we can see how it will look like in mobile. So again, you can see how it will look in mobile. So again, you can click on chat GPT and then again, you can click on data science here and all. So again, this is one that can be done and all. Just like that, if you want any other pages, you can add. So you can add as many as you want. Similarly, now again, let's go with the different one. Like suppose if I go ahead with the different one, like call out extension, suppose we go. So how we will give call out extension, guys? I will go here and I will go now new call out extension. So what was call out? We remember, guys? What was call out? Do we remember call out extension? What was the purpose? Any one of you remembers? No? Not any one of you remember, guys? Call out extension? USP of the website, guys. USP of the product. Yes, correct. Correct, nice and Akhil. So it was USP. What is USP? Unique selling point and all that. So what is the benefit? You can say special benefit of the product. So again, I can go to this, like you can say, my ChatGPT or Perplexity AI, where I have already find that. So again, you can say the profit is international certification. I can copy and I can give. So again, that should be under 25. So again, international certificates. So certificates I can give, not certification. So just like this, you need to have like international certificate. Then after that, like if I go here, next is like you can say guarantee job interview. Here we can copy this and we can go ahead. We can write it here. Now again, I can go with the call text. So again, if I go ahead here, so again, I can go ahead with more options like here, lifetime access. So I can copy this and I can go. So up to 3 to 4 you can have, and you can have even more also if you want. But generally they show 3 to 4 options only. So again, like suppose if I want more options here, so dedicated experienced faculty, suppose. I can go ahead and I can do that experienced faculty. And then I can go ahead with the save option. So again, you can see here what all option: guarantee job interview, lifetime access, experienced faculty, and then apply. So once you apply, then after that, you can go ahead and you can see that. Then afterwards, if you click on the more asset type, so you can see the other one. So let's see one by one. We have plenty of time left today so that you guys will be, after today's class, you guys will be able to understand, not only understand, but able to make the ads as well. Now, again, if I go ahead, promotion extension, so I can add the promotion. A lot of you were asking when I was teaching you promotion. Now, again, you can see how that ad will look like. So what is the occasion? So you can see here Holy, Independence Day, Labor's Day. Suppose Independence Day is coming and we want to have a like a flat off. So again, in the Independence Day, we are giving the flat off and all that. So again, if I say English and then the currency, so again, language in English, currency INR. So suppose we are doing for India, so it will be, just a second, let me go and select INR. That is Indian rupees. Okay, we have to just see INR is here. So we can select that. Now promotional type, what is the promotional type we have? Does we have percentage discount? Does we have monetary discount? So what is monetary discount like? Like I am giving 1,000 rupees discount, 1,000 rupees flat discount. So if I am giving 1,000 rupees flat discount, that is called as monetary discount and all that. But in percentage, suppose I am giving like 10% off on the course fees and all that. So I can go with the percentage discount. Then up to like 2,000, up to 3,000, like that I can go. And then after that, if I go up to percentage, like up to 90% off, up to 50% off, like that. So we can go and we can go ahead with up to 5% off or 50% off. So you can just go to 50%, just number you have to type, and you will be able to find it. Now again, here, if you see on the right hand side, this is how it will look. Now the item, so like suppose the item for me is digital marketing course. So again, I have to write it under 20 characters. So digital marketing course. So again, it is 24. So again, I have to make sure, like you can say marketing course. So I can go ahead with the marketing course. Let me keep M open. Now again, you can see up to 50% off on marketing course. So this is how it will look like in our promotions and all that. So again, I can go the final URL where that promotion is. So suppose the promotion is in the digital marketing course page. So I can go and I can give here the course options. Like I can go and I can copy. Once I copy, I can go here and I can give the final URL. So what is final URL? Where I want users to. Any detail, promotional detail on order over or any promo code. So suppose you want to track how many people see the ad and then they apply promo, like come from that particular platform. So you can have the promo code. So promo code could be Google 30, suppose. So anyone will apply Google 30, so you can make it in capital letters. Generally, promo codes are in capital letter. Google 30. So again, people will be able to see that. Then after that, start date. So whatever start date that you have, so again, you can go ahead like 7th August. And then afterwards here, if I go ahead here, so 21 August and all that, 7 to 31st, 21 August, the offer is only valid. So if this is only valid to that date, so again, we can go and we can do that. So what will happen? This you have to apply that in the website backend also, guys. You have to tell your developer, like, please apply the coupon code when somebody will buy our course, will get that 30% off by applying, so that you know how many coupon codes has been used. So that will give you idea how many people see the ads and they convert it. And then if I scroll down here, I will just save that out. Then after that, apply. So once you apply, you will be able to see here the promotion extension as well. So sometime you will be able to see this, sometime the promotion extension, but here you can see that. So sometime it will be showing like that. So it depends upon Google, whatever Google. And if you see on the right hand side, see the percentage means how my ad is. So anything above 80 is considered okay, means good one. So if your percentage of ads, like Google is telling 90% it's good, so you are doing a great job and all. Now again here, why this ad strength is showing poor? Because I can add more headline. And if I include more keywords now, as per Google, and I include more headline and I will make it little bit unique, so that they will increase. For example, if I just go here, like suppose if I go here, if I just click on this, just a second, if I just go there and I just go to headline and I save that headline, like again, see, it went to average. Now again, if I want to include popular keywords, so again, if I go ahead, call us, call now, and all that, and just save that. So again, once you do that, so you can see it changes from average, like low to average. So don't worry about this as long as your overall score is more than 80 and all. This is just if you will include that, na, it will just go and it will increase your strength from low to higher. But now let's come back and let's see here some more extension. So promotion extension we have seen. Now price, call, structure, snippet, and app are there. So let's see one by one. Now again, price. What is the use of price extension first of all? So if we want to give the price, guys, if I want price to be mentioned generally in my ad. So price means I know my price of the product. So for example, XLR, they are giving the course in 30,000 and all that. So again, we can go and we can click on the price. And once we go to the price, and here you can create, and on the right hand side, you can see. Now, for example, if I show you how you can do language, currency. So again, currency, I will go ahead with INR. Now brand, events, location, a product category, service category and all. So suppose we are going with the product category and price qualifier from or average and all or any. Like suppose if you don't give any qualifier, so it applies to everything. So again, header suppose. So again, we are saying digital marketing. Okay, let me just go to the normal one, digital marketing course. And then afterwards, here the money. So suppose for this, we are charging 20,000, for example. Number of unit 1. Here again per hour, per year, per night, per week and all. So I will not give any unit. Then description. Learn the basic of digital. So again, learn the basics. Here if I go basics and then final URL where that particular course is there. So suppose that is there on www.xlr.com. So again, you will always copy. Just to showcase you, I am typing. What my advice will be, please always copy. Like copy here and then go and then just give the URL. And mobile URL, if it is different than that, and see you can find it how it will come. And then afterwards, again, at least 2 to 3 price you have to give. So again, I can go here, advanced course. One, marketing, suppose. Marketing. Now again, it goes more than, so again, I can keep it advanced course. Suppose the advanced course offer is 30,000 rupees, for example. And then description, like learn practical, and here work on, suppose 10 projects. So again, you will find that 10 a project here. So again, learn practical, and let me just go 10 projects and then the final URL. Basically, like suppose Bangalore, and then afterwards, like this, you can see the ad will go. So again, if I have like suppose a DD, like you can say more advanced course or a premium course. So just like that, I can do. So if people will click, they will go to that respective pages. So that will be again very one that we can go and we can choose. So that will be again great that we can go and we can have that. Now again, just like that, you can keep going and you can keep including the price. So it will be showing like that. And again, directly you can't include in the price generally. So that's why they have given this price extension. Then you can say, now again, you can see at least 3 prices. So at least we need 3 prices. Let's go with one more then. Like you can say premium course. So if I go with premium course, so again, like suppose if it is 50,000 and then description, learn with 10 assignments. Just make sure you don't repeat anything. And then the final URL here, Bangalore, India. And then whatever URL you should copy. I'm just writing it here. So again, you can see how this ad will come. So again, if you see here, it will be coming like that. And if people will click on more, they will be getting the option. So this is how you can see it will go and all that. Now again, if I go to save, since I have made 3, so that's why again it will be coming. Then apply. Then afterwards call. So what is call? Call is directly you can make a call. So for example, I want my number to be shown. So people from mobile devices, when they go now, they can directly call me. So for that, I can go ahead here. I can go ahead with new call and whatever number. So first to choose your country. So suppose our country is India. So I will just go and I will select here India and then the phone number. So I will go here 8340647293. For example, I'm just keeping the random number here. So again, whatever number that I have got, see, they will get the option from call and it will like particularly showcasing and then I can click on save. It will be saved and I can get the preview. So from mobile, they can directly call and from desktop, they can see my number and they can call me directly and all. So this is the call extension where since many people are using mobile phones and some of the businesses, they do need the lead. Directly, they want the phone number of the people who is interested. So this can be again a very good options to go with. And I can apply that. Now again, if I go ahead, then we have the structure snippet and app, 2 extensions that are left with. Now, what is 2 extensions? So if I go ahead with structure snippet, I can click on create options here. Once we click on create here, then again value. So again, I told you it's about the category. again, whatever category, like course category, brand, a degree program, destination, features, hotel, insurance coverage, models, whatever it is. Like suppose if I go ahead with the courses, so I can go and I can go ahead there. So for example, suppose the value is like you can say basic, or suppose for example digital marketing, data science, and then I can go ahead with data analytics. And here you can say it will be coming like that: courses, digital marketing, data science, data analytics. So any category, like suppose if I'm doing a degree program, like suppose one is professional program, and one is degree program. And one is suppose MBBA program. MBA program. So what is this? Again, MBA program and all that. So again, you can see under like degree program, we have professional degree program and MBA program. Just like this, if you want to showcase any of the variety like brands, courses, like models, neighborhood, service catalog, source, style, types, like again in type, suppose I want. So suppose I want one course, suppose we give is online. One is like suppose at offline center, at offline center, and then one is like suppose hybrid. One is hybrid, like I can attend online and offline also. So you can see your types: online, at offline center, hybrid. So again, like this, you can add the values, whatever you want and all. And then afterwards here, like when I go, so I can say save. So once I save that, it will be just go and it will save that. Then afterwards, at last we have is app extension. Now, what is app extension here? App extension is used if I have any app. Like suppose if my company, for example, suppose XLR launch its app. So the app is in Android store as well as iOS store. So then I will go here to the app, and then I will go and I will choose the app whatever I have. So for example, whatever app I will choose now, in mobile devices only, it will come with the install app option. So that people click on install app and it will go and it will take them to the app store or the you can say Play Store of Android, wherever I want them. So one time you can only use one. It's not like I can choose both. So if I want both the apps to be promoted, so two ads I have to create. In one I have to choose Android, and one I have to choose the iOS. So for example, Android, suppose I am choosing let's go with any other app. So I will just type the letter. I will get tons of ads are there. You can see. So suppose I go with here. So what will happen again? If anyone click me, they will go to this. So again, if we have app, then only it is advisable to do. Otherwise, it is not advisable to do that. So these are the extension that we have talked about and all. So this is how we make the ads, search ads and all. And here you can see how your ads will look like and all, what are the preview. So based upon whatever we have given, starting from headline, then the description, and then the extension part and all that. And please remember, all extension never showed up. Maximum one extension or maximum two extension you can see. But again, you can't see the all the extension at once, even in the SERP. So what is SERP? Where you search, like where we search this full stack developer program. So when we search this, you will be able to find here the ad and all that normally. So this is where I can go and I can find. And if you remember, we already have talked about the competitor analysis. How many of you remember competitor analysis, guys? Do we remember it? Do we remember competitor analysis, competitor ad, how we can do? Just a quick recap, like how we, okay, fantastic, you guys remember that. So you have to go to the Google Ad Transparency Center. You just go to Google Ads Transparency Center. Once you go that, you will be able to, yeah, to analyze the competitor. Now, for example, I want to analyze for Excel. So I can go to XLR.com and I can see if they are running any search ads or not. So I can go here and I will just paste that. Now I will just paste, when I paste here the URL, I will find it here. Now again, if I have to only find the search ad, no, I will just go to text format. So search ads are in the text format. So you will find all the search ad here, what all ads they are running. So that will always give you an idea what all things they are running, what all things they are using. And you can say they are also using here their locations generally to say showcase. And you can see they are using that 100% placement assistance and all that. So again, they are also using it like you can say extensions and all that. Now, I will show you one most important trick. But before that, how many of you are now understood and will be able to try that? Then I will show you one trick that can help you to gain maximum leads if you are working for like you can say service-based industry, and you want more and more leads even for your own industry and all. So now, how many of you will be able to find that? And you do have attendance link. Please make sure you guys fill that before leaving. So I will take your 5-10 minutes now because we have interesting things. One that I will be sharing you, the one trick that I share and that always help my client to gain more leads and more clicks. Now, is there any way, like suppose here, if I go ahead, what I want is, like see here, like when I type now, like full stack developer course. So again, you can say full stack development courses there or AI full stack developer courses there. But what if, like whatever user is searching here, like suppose according to my keywords, like suppose first though, I will go ahead with the keyword, like I will make the list of the keyword. So suppose if people type here full stack developer course, I want exactly that to come in my headline. If exactly that will come, will it increase my chances of click? What you guys say? I'm again repeating what I'm asking you guys. I'm asking, suppose if anyone type here AI full stack developer course or full stack developer course, I want that exactly to come in the headline. So if that will come in the headline, will it increase the chances of click? And can we drive more traffic? And then will leads to ultimately more leads? We all agree with that because that is how our psychology works. Because if anyone will type the AI a full stack developer course, so I will be looking for AI, not I will be not looking for a full stack development course. So let's see that how we can do that generally. So how we can do that, it's very easy. Just you have to go to the headline part, like whatever headline it is there. So again, whenever you are adding the headline, so again, you can go with the first headline. Just delete whatever is there. And you have to go with the curly bracket. Now, where you will find the curly bracket, just after the, like in the keyboard, if you will see, you will find that. So you have to just go and you have to give the curly bracket, this option. Once you give that, then you will find this keyword insertion. Now, what is that keyword insertion? Now, this is like whatever keyword that people will type now, that will come by default here. What that will come by default means whatever list of keyword. But one thing you guys have to always make sure of, all the keywords that you want your ad to come, you have added that. If you have not added that now, then here after this, what you need is now, after that, like if I go here, like suppose if I just go to the like you can say the middle bracket or curly bracket, you can say, I will just click on keyword insertion. then default text. What if anybody is typing apart from this? So if anybody is typing apart from this, then what I want. So suppose then I want this to be digital marketing course. So what will happen here? What the magic will happen here is if any of these people will search now, then exactly that will be coming in the first headline. But if anyone type else than that, like similar meaning word, since I am advertising with broad match keywords and all, so if I am doing that now, then again what will happen is like it's again my digital marketing course by default will be going ahead and all that. So this is one that again you guys can like use that, and trust me, it increases the CTR like crazy. You can go from 0.5% to 3 to 4% in no time, because we all love that. Now I want you to quickly check that. I'm giving you 5 minutes time, then I will take the questions. Meanwhile, you guys have the attendance link. Please fill that out, but please go and check in the ad copy part and let me know if you are able to find this option. But please give some of the keyword here in the keyword section. So quickly go to this like headline and let me know. You can do that in description also, but I will advise in headline, because once you search that now, like surgical, majorly we see is in the headline. So please try and let me know. Take 5 minutes, it's fine. We do have a lot of time. So please do that and let me know. Are you able to get that trick in your like Google Ads part? You have to come to the ad copy part. Like suppose if you go to the, I'm just showing it one more time. Just see that. You have to go to Google Ads, sign in into that, just sign in. And once you sign in, whatever account that you have, like suppose if I go ahead here, now again, create new campaign. See the steps, people, please see the steps. And then you will choose website traffic and then just go click on next continue option. Then choose the search ad and then just go to the next. So again, once you go ahead here, after this, you go and you click on the next option. Just a second. What happened? Yeah, continue option. And then just give the website name, the campaign name, and then afterwards start new. Once you click on start new here, you will be able to go directly go to the left hand side keyword and ad. You can practice after this class, but I just want you to check here headline. Just go give the curly bracket and see this keyword insertion option, and you will be able to just go, and you will be default text means what if your keywords are not there, then what word you want. So suppose I want that to be digital marketing, so I can go here and I can give, and that's how I can apply. So quickly please check that. I hope you got it now, Mahesh. I'm waiting for you guys to complete it. It is there just in the chat, Kavita. Please check that. Just 2-3 messages ago, team has put in that. Please check that and click on that link. Sponsored is done with the help of Harshal. uh, advertisement where you need to pay depending upon what budget you are keeping and all. And organic is SEO, that what we covered already. So SEO results are organic. For that, we don't need to pay. We need to optimize it. Whereas for advertisement, guys, we need to pay to the Google. Every time somebody clicks, we will be paying the amount. And both comes on the Google itself. Like whatever comes with the sponsored, we call that paid advertisement. Like here if you see sponsored, these all are the paid advertisement. But whatever you are getting from here, these all are called as organic. Means these all are called as organic results and all. So both comes in Google while you search, but you have to make sure one is for organic, one is paid. Paid one is we need to pay. Both is needed. It's like, see, for instant results, advertisement is the options, but generally you can say, like for the longer term, organic also needed to be done. Yeah, I will be doing that. Bidding strategy is the options that we have. Just a second. Yeah, I will be covering that display. Tomorrow we will have a display and video. After covering a display and video, I will tell you for all these three ads, what all bidding strategies are there and where you can do the advanced bidding. So I will be doing that after tomorrow class. Incognito mode is for generally like doing the internet access, like browsing the internet like anonymously, like not knowing who is browsing, so that your history will not be saved and all. So how you do that? You just go in the like you can say your browser. Once you guys go in the browser, just click on this three dots, new incognito window. Once you go to that, you will be able to find that. So this is how you do that. This is practical class. Notes you will find in LMS. Whatever notes that I have done. So few practical classes also we have. Like tomorrow also will be practical. I will walk you through one by one, step by step, how in the Google you can go and you can do that. Bidding is like what you wanted to, how you wanted to pay. Means how you wanted to achieve also. Like for example, if I wanted to achieve impression. So for that, what bidding is there? If I wanted to achieve clicks, what bidding is there? If I wanted to achieve conversion, so what bidding will be there and all. So it depends upon what I wanted to achieve. Okay, Aswarya, I hope you got it. And please practice, guys. You will be getting the certification also, but please make sure you practice. Any other question anyone has? Follow and follow. I did not get you, like follow and follow. Okay, that is social media again. You can follow and unfollow is against Instagram algorithm. If you are asking about that, though that we have not covered yet, I will not advise you to do it. So again, can we have the attendance list? I have, it's already there. So please make sure everyone leaves after filling the attendance sheet. And please practice, make sure you guys go and you guys see the recording. It is in the YouTube as well. Go and see and practice step by step. And tomorrow we will be doing like display ads and the video ads campaign. So again, please make sure tomorrow, because display and video are almost same, just few differences are there that I will tell you and all that. So tomorrow again will be fun part and all that. Do join that everyone, but please make sure you guys like fill the attendance before doing that. Any business you can take XLR if you want. Anything, Viraj, you can do. Any company you take the as a practice, like you can take XLR, you can take any other company also, whatever you want and all that, you can go. Okay, I hope we are good. So if we spend in search ads, no, again, you have to run the ad. If you want to know the prediction, Prashant, here you can see that. Please see on the screen. I'm telling you. So prediction, you can always see from the Google Ads, and you can go here to the keyword planner. So you have to open keyword planner for that. And once you do the keyword planner here, so you will be able to go and sign in. First, when you sign in here, and then afterwards, if I go ahead with any account, now the second option, when you know what all keywords that you want. So again, you go, you type all the keywords, like suppose if I want digital marketing course, or you want digital marketing institute, digital marketing institute. And again, if you want more, so just click on get started. Once you click on get started, you will find here what, just wait for some time. Once you wait and all that, like you will get the forecast option. Once you go with the forecast option, so again, you can see, just wait for a few minutes. Then again, you can see here, just wait and you can see if you spend 1110K, you may get this 26 click. So again, I'm telling you need to go to the keyword planner and the second option to find that here, this one. So what you ask for, Prashant, in Google Ads, it is just fill that detail Aaron and see what it happened. Just don't give the payment. Just don't give the payment detail. If there is a skip option, skip that. You don't have to track a location. If you want location to be tracked, place a device. Google will automatically do that. You don't need to use Google to track the location. So there are devices that come if you want any person location to be tracked. The location, Google is good. If you just keep the location where you want your ads, it just will be showing and all that. If my ad earning, you don't earn in ad, you give. If I will post the ad on your wall, Viraj, on your home, so should you pay me or I should pay you? I should pay you now, because I'm using your platform, your house and all that. So you pay to Google. Google does not pay to you for ads, because you are advertising. And for advertising, we need to pay. We do not get any payment. So we need to pay based upon you can say what keywords and all that. If you see the keyword research part that we have covered earlier, you will be able to understand that. And one time, just I'm showing to the people who are unable to get to the keyword planner. See, just one time, please see on the screen people who were unable to use the keyword planner. For example, I want you to do, go to ads.google.com. ads.google.com. Please see that. I won't repeat this. Please see that. Google, ads.google.com when you go. So what happens and all that? Like you will click on sign in. Start now, or suppose new Google ad account. So again, you can go to new Google ad account and see you will get this. So again, exactly this, if you are getting, please see on the screen. Again, I am seeing, I won't be repeating this. So please see on the screen what you have to click. You have to click on skip campaign creation. So anywhere if you are getting the skip campaign creation, na, click on that. Then afterwards, just wait. Just wait here. What it comes. Now just skip the billing country and all that, a time zone and currency, and click on continue. Once you click on continue, just wait what all things comes. So you can see here promotional code and all that. So again, whatever here, if you will go and all that. So again, you will see they want your payment method and all that normally. So I already have like no and just submit. It will not deduct money unless and until you do that. So once you here, if you say manual payment, if I will just go 1,000, continue, and then just wait. Wait 1 second. You don't have to give any payment. Wait. Now, here again, I'm showing from first step, guys. So here, when you get the about the information, here you have to click on create an account without a campaign. You don't have to click, give the website URL, and then continue. Then you will be able to go, and the payment options they will not ask and all. Again, I am showing you one more time because it created the confusion. So I'm just showing you one more time. Wait. So what you do, you just go here, ads.google.com. Please see, one more time I am showing you. You just click on start now. So again, switch account, like suppose I want for this account. Once you go, just new ad account you click. Once you click on new ad account, just wait. And here see, skip campaign creation. See this. Can you guys see this option? You don't have to give any information. Skip campaign creation. Once you skip that, just click on continue. And then afterwards, just wait. Now again, payment and all that to make sure taxes and all that. Just a second. Let me go back. Billing country. So since I am using in all the account, the payment is already given. So that's why they are given. If I just go organization, create, just a second, cancel. Here you will find that and then no and submit if I go or wait. I just wait one more time. Let me try one more time because since I have given in all that now, my account information, so you can see my card detail, they are automatically taking. So what I want you to do is, I want you to do keyword planner, you need to type, and then first keyword planner here, visit keyword planner, and once you go ahead now, new Google Ads account. So what you have to do, you have to go with the keyword planner option and new Google Ads account. And then here, no, like suppose you don't want here, just give the billing and just give the submit option. Once you give the submit option, explode keyword planner. You will be able to do that. So this is how you can do that. I hope you guys got it now. I hope some of you were facing the problem. Aaron, I hope you got it. And please fill the like attendance link. No, if you spend, your spend is more than 1,000. If 1,000 rupees is spent, it will stop. It can happen in 2.5 days also. So it will not run till 3 days. If your money is there and you have not spent all the 1,000 day, then 1,000 rupees, then it will showcase on the third day also. Yes, that's all for today. Please try that. People who were unable to get into the Google Ads, I told you today by keyword planner, you go, you type and you see that. So I hope everyone got it, guys. Any question further we have? I hope we got it. Okay, what about other people? Any last minute questions anyone has before I leave? I just want to make sure everyone got it. I hope we got it. Other people? Okay. I just explained that, Rajnish. You can see that. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Like lovely night. I will say good night. See you tomorrow then. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. And
Yeah,
please,
thank you, Roshan.
yeah, thank you.
So, students, I sent attendance link in the chat box. Please mark your attendance if you missed. Any more questions you can ask me in the chat box. So, still we have, today is the 8th day, right? So, still we have 7 more days. Okay, 10th will be a last. So, ma'am, when will you get certificate after completion of course? Yes. Yes, Harshil, after completion of this course, we will give. Okay. Yeah, Aditya, what's your question? So, where could I get classes, ma'am? So, in LMS, you will get that, Pritam. Yeah, attendance is mandatory for the certificate. Yeah, yes. Certificate received to your given email IDs. Are we going to get only digital certificate? Yes, Aditya. That's okay, Pritam. You can watch the recordings. So in attendance location option, we write my location, college institute. So you can mention your location, Shubham. No need to know like college address and all. Okay. Yeah. I hope I'm done with your questions. Thank you for joining the session, and we'll meet on tomorrow. Ma'am, in ending any exams? Yeah. So in the last day, we are conducting exam. That's MCQ type. It's like a 50 minutes exam. Okay. Fine. Certificate is based on exam? No. Certificate is based on your attendance. Okay. Yeah. After completion of all these topics, we are conducting exam. Okay. On these topics. Okay. Done. So good to go. We'll wrap it up for today. Good night, everyone. Bye. Go and have your food.